Drinking beet juice daily can provide a variety of powerful healing benefits due to its rich nutrient profile and bioactive compounds. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore 8 compelling reasons to incorporate beet juice into your daily routine, each supported by scientific evidence and expert opinions. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Enhances athletic performance. Beet juice has gained popularity among athletes and fitness enthusiasts for its ability to enhance physical performance. This effect is primarily attributed to the high concentration of dietary nitrates found in beets, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in vasodilation, a process that widens blood vessels and improves blood flow. Here's how beet juice enhances athletic performance. Improved oxygen delivery. Nitric oxide enhances blood flow to the muscles, ensuring they receive adequate oxygen during physical exertion. This can lead to improved endurance, allowing athletes to train harder and longer. Increased efficiency. Studies have shown that consuming beet juice can reduce the oxygen cost of exercise, meaning that athletes can perform the same level of physical activity with less oxygen consumption. This efficiency can be particularly beneficial in endurance sports like running, cycling, and swimming. Faster recovery. The improved circulation facilitated by beet juice also aids in faster recovery post-exercise. Enhanced blood flow helps remove metabolic waste products like lactic acid from the muscles, reducing soreness and promoting quicker healing. Practical applications. For optimal performance enhancement, athletes are advised to consume beet juice 2-3 hours before training or competition. A typical dosage is around 500 milliliters of beet juice, which provides approximately 300,600 milligrams of dietary nitrate. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. One of the most well-documented health benefits of beet juice is its ability to lower blood pressure. This is again due to the high nitrate content, which is converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels. Here's how beet juice contributes to better cardiovascular health. Vasodilation. Nitric oxide causes blood vessels to relax and widen, reducing the pressure exerted on the arterial walls. This vasodilation effect can lead to a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Quick action. Research indicates that beet juice can lower blood pressure within a few hours of consumption. The effects are often most pronounced 2-6 hours after drinking the juice and can last up to 24 hours. Sustained benefits. Regular consumption of beet juice can lead to sustained reductions in blood pressure, making it a valuable addition to the diet for individuals with hypertension or those at risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Number 3. Supports liver health. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and the production of essential proteins. Beet juice contains several compounds that support liver health and function, making it a valuable addition to a liver-friendly diet. Betalains. Beets are rich in betalains, pigments that give the vegetable its deep red color. Betalains have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins, free radicals, and oxidative stress. Methionine and glycine. Beet juice contains amino acids like methionine and glycine, which support the liver's detoxification pathways. These compounds help the liver process and eliminate harmful substances from the body. Bile production. Beet juice stimulates the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that aids in digestion and the absorption of fats. Improved bile production can enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate waste products. Number 4. Promotes digestive health. Digestive health is crucial for overall well-being, and beet juice can play a significant role in supporting a healthy digestive system, High in fiber, while beet juice itself is not as fiber-rich as whole beets, it still contains some dietary fiber that can aid in digestion. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Gut microbiome. The nutrients and antioxidants in beet juice can support a healthy gut microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. A balanced microbiome is essential for efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Digestive enzymes. Beet juice stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which are necessary for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Enhanced enzyme activity can improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Number 5. Enhances brain function. Cognitive health and brain function can be significantly influenced by dietary choices, and beet juice stands out as a brain-boosting beverage. Increased blood flow. Nitric oxide, produced from the nitrates in beet juice, enhances blood flow to the brain. Improved circulation can boost cognitive function, mental clarity, and concentration. Neuroplasticity. Some studies suggest that the compounds in beet juice may promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. This is particularly important for learning, memory, and cognitive resilience. Prevention of cognitive decline. Regular consumption of beet juice may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The antioxidants in beet juice protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to cognitive decline. Number 6. Boosts immune system. A strong immune system is essential for protecting the body against infections, illnesses, and diseases. Beet juice contains several nutrients that can enhance immune function. Vitamin C. Beet juice is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Antioxidants. In addition to vitamin C, beet juice contains other antioxidants like betalains and flavonoids. These compounds protect immune cells from oxidative damage, ensuring they function optimally. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system and increase susceptibility to infections. The anti-inflammatory compounds in beet juice help reduce inflammation, supporting a robust immune response. Number 7. Aids in weight loss. For those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, beet juice can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Low in calories. Beet juice is low in calories, making it a great choice for a weight loss-friendly beverage. A 100 ml serving of beet juice contains approximately 43 calories, allowing you to enjoy its health benefits without adding excess calories to your diet. High in nutrients. Despite being low in calories, beet juice is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This nutrient density ensures that you receive the necessary nutrients without consuming excess calories. Promotes satiety. The fiber content in beet juice, though lower than that in whole beets, can still contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety. Drinking beet juice as part of a meal or snack can help reduce overall calorie intake by curbing hunger. Number 8. Fights chronic diseases. Chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, are leading causes of death worldwide. Regular consumption of beet juice can play a role in preventing and managing these conditions. Cardiovascular disease. The blood pressure lowering effects of beet juice, combined with its ability to improve blood vessel function, make it a potent ally in the fight against heart disease. The antioxidants in beet juice also protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Diabetes management. Beet juice has a relatively low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in beet juice can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Cancer prevention. The betalains in beet juice have been shown to possess anti-cancer properties. These compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.